Hi guys, welcome to Ian's Product Focus. What we're going to focus on today is the EC1 controller from G.A.S. It's a really simple fan controller. It's thermostatic, so that means it will turn your fans up or down depending on what your set point is on your temperature. Unlike the EC Speed, which is manual, this is a thermostatic. It runs one fan. You can put a splitter on it, but I would prefer just to use it on one fan. So if you're connecting to your outtake, use an EC1 controller. Why would I pick an EC1 over the other controllers? The EC Speed that you get is just a dimmer, so it's not thermostatic. This is thermostatic. I would use this if I'm running one outtake fan. I connect it straight into my G.A.S System Air EC fan, set my minimum, maximum fan speeds, set my temperature, and that's it, it's up and running. Really easy to use. It will keep your fan, your outtake fan, ramping up and down depending on what temperature is to dial in that temperature of your room to make it perfect for your plants. So that's it for the EC1. Very simple thermostatic fan controller powered from the fan. It's got a probe, it's got the leads in here, it's got a minimum and maximum speed and also a thermostatic point, so you can set your thermostat and it will run to that speed. Perfect little fan controller. Cheers guys.